Well, it is Friday morning. Yesterday was May 1st, and in Thailand it is a holiday for all people, and so I had no workers yesterday. So yesterday I stayed home and rested my legs. And today we are back to work, and we are going to pour cement on Sunday. They actually do that here, and so that's pretty good. So as you can see, I've got the crusher run compacted all over the surface. That's the special stone that when you wet it and compact it, it gets pretty solid. Sorry about the sound of the generator. And this is the wire we use. And as you've seen, all of these pieces of steel all the way around. So when we pour this, it's going to be locking the walls of the retaining walls and the swimming pool and the house all locked together with one huge sheet of cement. It'll never go anywhere. Let the earthquakes come. We have this very special epoxy glue that when we put these pieces of steel into the cement, that we cover them with this epoxy glue, and that is going to make it so that they're extremely locked to the cement. And so if I would continue along to show you the progress. We got another two lifts of red brick. Not sure how many are in the lift. Quite a lot. And here we have a lot of the interior walls already done. Sorry, kun jou? Alright. Okay. So this is the room that the swimming pool pumps and filters and chlorinators, and also the elevators, electricals and pneumatic compressors all go in this room, with the elevator going right here. And here is kind of the entrance that we go into, the doorway, and into our home cinema. And that wall over there will be plastered really smooth and painted a special paint for projecting images on it, the movies. Totally amazing. And here is this is just a closet. This is just a big storage room. So if they have stuff we gotta store, or the people who buy it, they have to look at it. Put shelves in here, and it could be the big storeroom of all the stuff, like the locker. And here is a bedroom, and a very nice bedroom it is. Where you have a bed right here. This is a closet. Air conditioning, ventilation system, everything. Beautiful bedroom. And here's where the stairs are going to go up to the top. 4-story circular stairway. So we still have to put a wall over here because there's a hallway right here, and in here is the laundry room. Very, very large, almost commercial sized laundry room. Over here will be a door for a bathroom, quite a large bathroom. Sink, toilet, shower, ventilation. And here we have a door, and it goes into our electric room. So we'll have a big panel over here with all the breakers in it. And the pumps and the hot water heaters, and there's ventilation system as well. So we're getting there, and that's my tour for today. Bye bye.